time.
So we're in beautiful San Diego right here. Met up with this crazy guy.
Crazy, bro.
Crazy.
No,
What's
island.
your name?
My
Island.
name's Eric, but they call me Pogi, man.
Where island are you from?
Philippines, you better
Philippines.
know. Straight up babaero. That means straight playboy. Don't trip.
My wife's quarter Filipino.
Oh, well, then we're family, bro.
Check this out. So I got this fish right here, and this island boy really wants to eat this eye right here.
You want to know why? Hold up, I'll tell you why.
He says it gives him power.
Well, no, but look, somebody cleaned it already, yeah?
Yeah,
We island people, we don't let nothing go to waste.
that's true. It's like, why waste food, right?
Yeah, you hit me up and said, hey, bro, you want to get down on the eyeball? Shoot it. You think it's my first one? Come on, man. I've been around the block. Look at that. This is right here. Babayan, ancient Filipino script. 500 years before Christ, my people were doing this. And then those Mexican fools want to come trip on my land. But we're not on that disrespect tip. It's time to grind.
That's Spanish people, not Mexican.
Oh, yeah, Spanish. Whatever.
A little different.
History from the Ukrainian guy. Triple G, I see you. Triple G. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay,
Pacquiao's coming.
Okay, so let's see. Hold this thing. Let's let's cut this eyeball.
Handle it, bro. Handle it. There it is. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Just like that.
I just busted an eye.
Flip it over. You got another one. 2 eyeballs, yeah?
Yeah, there's 2 eyeballs.
Don't fuck up. Sorry, YouTube. And then, yeah, there you go. And then just pop it out.
I'm gonna give you all the cartridge and everything, man.
Oh, we're gonna do it like that?
It's gonna come with the teeth. No, you can eat however you want to.
No, just pop the eyeball out. If you can cut the eyeball out only, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
So, you pop it out, you do your thing. Were you born in the Philippines?
Nah.
No.
I was born stateside, but you know how it is, bro. When it's in your blood, it's in your blood. So, fuck it. Let me get some water, yeah? Or
Yeah.
chase it. You gotta chase it, yeah? Wash it off, chase it.
All right, let's see. Look at the eyeball.
I already told you, fools, nothing goes to waste. Maraming salamat po, yeah? Sarap sa'yo.
This guy's going tribal. Look at that crunch. What does it taste like?
Ooh. It's alright. He's just up. See you now. Woo. Juices was flowing though. Ain't nobody else gonna do that shit for you, man. But us island folks, yeah, spit it out. Come on, show 'em. Any motherfucker thinks they're gonna put that in their mouth, you tripping. I did my best. You wanna come try it? Come test.
That was awesome. Thanks, man. It's a beautiful day, beautiful city.